What's going on YouTube? It's been Austin here for railfan Productions. First and foremost, I really do appreciate the great support that I've had on my past videos. The support has been fantastic, and I want to thank you all for subscribing on this channel. I would have never even thought that I would have been able to reach over, what is it now, roughly about 10,020 subscribers, give or take. That proves to you all that you really have enjoyed these trade videos as much as I like doing them. And I know there was a lot of work that was put on these videos, even though there's about 20-30 of those videos last year that unfortunately I could not get back on the SD card because of overwriting the files. But anyway, so I just want to tell you all what my railfan plans are as far as the Thanksgiving holiday, maybe a little bit before that. This is going to be awfully dependent on what the weather is going to be like because Anthony is obviously going to be driving his Jeep over since he got everything fixed. He is supposed to come back over here next month on November 9th of 2024. And he's going to stay the entire month with me so that we can go out there and railfan more. There's going to be more videos on, obviously, at our usual spot at Yakin Road. We're going to be railfanning on the NS Dorfit District, and we do have plans to schedule 2 railfan trips. We're going to be spending 3 days at Charlottesville, hopefully, and railfan more around there. And then maybe we will go ahead and head down to the CSX North End subdivision somewhere in Stony Creek, or we could railfan at Collier. We haven't decided yet. But we may go both places since they're not that far from each other. And then we are thinking about going back down the Rocky Mount, North Carolina Amtrak station to do some railfanning there. Now, you guys have obviously really enjoyed those videos down there at Rocky Mount, so that was really good that you all like to see Amtrak content on this channel, which there's been a lot of that since I started this channel back in 2014. So I'm really glad that y'all are enjoying that. And we'll definitely be going back down there since it's only about an hour from Stony Creek. If you all are ever from the Petersburg / Stony Creek area between Dinwiddie County and Prince George County, I would highly suggest staying at the Fairfield by Marriott. I know it's a bit expensive. I think they're charged like over $100 a night, but if you all want to do 3 full days of railfanning down in the CSX North End subdivision, which is where we're going to be staying at hopefully next month, I would highly recommend it. The hotel staff is really nice. They have free breakfast. They have free Wi-Fi. We have stayed there numerous of times over the past year and a half. So it's definitely a great hotel to stay at. And if you don't want to stay there, there's also a sleep inn on the very left side. And then right beside the Fairfield is the Hampton Inn. One more thing is like I said, I think I mentioned this before when this video was rolling. As far as the railfan trips are concerned, I would not be able to make it back to Princeton, Indiana until sometime next year, and maybe April or possibly June of 2025, because of so that basically means that I am going to be stuck here for the majority of the winter. So hopefully by that time I should hopefully come back out there, God willing. Hopefully God will give me another year to be able to devote another year and get these railfan trips done. Hopefully, and hopefully Anthony will be alive too. Just so you all know, all of my videos that I got from the BNSF TransCon have been posted to YouTube. I know we really haven't seen much of action on the BNSF TransCon because we were in La Plata, Missouri, and we kind of had other things that we needed to take care of. Probably spent a little bit of time at the hotel, then we went out. we didn't really catch much action as far as that is concerned, because we were in spontaneous places, even though I sort of wanted to stay in one place. But we still had a lot of priorities to take care of. So I also did some videos down there at Santa Fe Junction in Kansas City, Missouri. And we also did more rail fanning over there in La Plata, the La Plata Amtrak station, as well as over there in, I think it's over there in Fort Madison, Iowa. So if you all want to check out La Plata in particular, there is a railroad-themed hotel there that I highly recommend to check out. It's called the Depot Inn and Suites, and they really aren't that expensive. So if you're into rail fanning, or if you're going over to Railfest over there in La Plata that they have every year, that definitely will be a great spot to stay at, only because it's located less than a mile from the tracks. So, and anyway, I thank you all for watching, and if you all have any questions or any concerns that you may have, you're more than welcome to leave them in the comments section, and I will try to get back to as many comments as I can, even though I rarely even get any comments, but if I do, I'll try to reply back, and then we'll go from there. But anyway, I hope you all have a fun and safe Halloween. And hopefully hopefully more railfan trips will be scheduled next month, dependent on the weather situation, since the mountains of West Virginia see their first snowfall usually around this time. Hopefully not, because if that's the case, he will not be able to come over. But anyway, I thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a safe Halloween.